Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, here we go, another day in paradise. You can slide that windshield out that way, son, so that way you don't drop it. Slide it out that way. Alright, so we're going to be installing on this brand new 2025. We're going to remove this emblem here. And we're going to install the LED one. And we're also going to be installing the cab lights. Look at this color. I just did one with the same color tone not too long ago. This particular customer drove all the way from Huntington Beach to get this job done. So we're gonna try to do it so he can get back home on time before he hits that traffic. Beautiful, nice, clean truck. We got some part numbers for you guys here. So for the LED emblem, you're gonna need this part number for the 2025. You're gonna need all these part numbers for the 2025, as part numbers do change often. Okay, so let's go ahead. We're gonna open them up, see what they look like, and we'll tear this thing apart, and we can go from there. All right, guys, let us know. We got you guys covered on any GMC cab lights. This is one that we did a few months back. The cab lights are looking good, but we're gonna be switching them up to the Boost Auto ones, and we're doing a few other things on this one here. So stay tuned. Here we go. All right, guys, here we go again. The last video I made saying I'm about to drill holes on a $100,000 truck went kind of viral. So let's try it again. Here we go. 2025 GMC Ultimate. We are drilling holes on the roof. Right there. Here we go. First drill in the hole. Alrighty, guys, just wrapped up the cab light installation on this brand new 2025 GMC Ultimate Edition, which is the best of the best. Check out those marker lights though. Pretty nicely installed. We are located here in the city of Corona, guys. If you're interested on getting some cab lights done, contact us here today. We'll take care of you. Nice and clean, all original lights. This is a GMC product, guys, so these are not aftermarket. They're gonna last forever. Look at this thing. It's a beautiful truck. Now we're gonna go ahead and replace this front emblem. Let's take this one out. We gotta take off the whole grill, replace it. Let's do it.